Hello students. Students, how are you? I am Mr. Wendumagay, who is your mathematics teacher. Students, today we are interested to see about mathematics, or in short maths, for grade 9. Especially in this mathematics at grade 9. Today our target is we will see about unit 1. In this unit 1, the lesson topic is further on sets. Further on sets. Students, what is set? Let's define the set. Therefore, first we will see about the definition of set. The definition of set. Set is a collection of well-defined objects. Set is a collection of well-defined objects. Well-defined objects. This means a collection is said to be the set if it is clearly well-defined. That means it well-defined means it must have the same meaning for different person's mind. Okay, it describes the same for different person. If this happen, then that collection is said to be the set. Okay, let's see about this the set. Let's clear this blackboard and let's take about different examples of the set. Okay, let's see about example. For example, now let A is a set that contains 5 English vowel letters: A, I, O, U, and E are 5 English vowel letters. These are elements of this set. Okay, these are elements of this set. Now, therefore, this collection is said to be the set. The collection of 5 English vowel letters is a set because it defines the same for different persons. The same for different persons. Okay, therefore, this collection is set. Therefore, we can say it is set. This is a set. This collection is a set. Let's consider another collection, set B. Set B is, they say, to be a group or a collection of beautiful birds. Consider this collection. Okay, is this collection is well defined? Students, this collection is it's simple collection which is not well defined because the adverbs of qualities like beautiful, like handsome, like clever, like lazy, like strong, and so such kind of adverbs of qualities are present in the verbal notation form of the set or in the collection of the set that is not well defined because beautifulness depends upon the person's recognition. This means the set B is a collection of beautiful birds. For one person, it can be that collection of birds can be a beautiful, and for other persons, that collection of birds cannot be beautiful. Therefore, this have not the same meaning in different persons' mind, because such kind of collections are not the set. Therefore, this collection is not set. Let's consider set C. You know that the name of sets are given by capital letters. Here you consider A is capital, B is capital, and C is capital. That means the name of sets are given by capital letters. And you look here, element A, I, O, U, E are small. Therefore, the elements of the set, if it is letter, it must be lowercase letters or small letters. Now, let's see, consider collection C. A collection C is, let me say that, a collection of intelligent students. Students, if this collection is set or not? Is it well defined or not? Okay. If you say it is not well defined, you are right. Because the word intelligent is an adverb of quality, therefore, when the sentence contains adverbs of quality, it is not well defined because it has different recognition for different parts. Therefore, this is also not the set. Not set. Therefore, I think students, you understand about the collections that can be the set and that is not the set. This much is enough for today. Now, after this, we will depend upon a collections which are set, like a city. And let's talk about them. Okay. Now, okay, let's continue, students. The following. Let's clear this one and let's talk about the set in another form or in another method. This is another definition. That is, let's define set. Another set. That is, the objects that present in the set are said to be elements. This definition is about elements. Let's say the objects in the set are said to be elements. Okay, and the elements of the set, one separate from the other by comma. The elements of the set, one separate from the other by comma. You know, comma is look like this one. It's one of the mark which look like that is comma. This one is comma. Okay, this one is comma. Therefore, let's see about one example that shows about the elements of the set. Let's consider set D. The name of sets are given by the capital letters set D, and the elements of set D are A, 2, C, 1. Okay, students, when you consider this A, 2, C, and 1 are elements of the set. You know that one element separate from the other. The element A separate from the next element, which is 2 by comma, and the element 2 separate from C by comma. Therefore, elements of the set are separated one from the other by the comma. Therefore, when you count the elements for the set, therefore the set D has 4 elements. A, 2, C, and 1 are elements of the set. Therefore, these set have only 4 elements. Therefore, students, we can say that set B contains 4 elements. Then we can say that A is the element of set D, which is correct, and 1 is also element of set D. C is the element of set D, and 2 is also the element of set D. But if I say 3, there is no 3 in the set D, then C is not the element. To say not the element, use this sign. 3 is not the element of set D. For example, if you consider 5, there is no 5 as an element, then 5 is not the element of D, and so on. Thank you, students, for attending this lesson. I am Mr. Wondemagany, who is your mathematics teacher. Please follow attentively my video lesson in my YouTube, Wondemagany Marcos. Goodbye, students. Thank you very much. See you next period with another video lesson.